Elevate your home security with the cutting-edge Wuuk Wired Smart Doorbell Pro, featuring advanced on-device AI facial recognition technology. But first, welcome to Enoylity Technology, your go-to destination for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in the know. Now, let's dive into the Wuuk Wired Smart Doorbell Pro unboxing experience. Inside the box, you'll find the doorbell itself, a backplate, a 15-degree mount, a releasing pin, a doorbell install pad, a screw pack, a jumper for your existing chime, an extension wire with wire nuts, and the doorbell chime along with its power adapter. On the front of the doorbell, you'll notice the indicator light, camera lens, microphone, press button, and speaker. Meanwhile, at the back, there's the sync button, wire port, SD card slot, and Type-C port. The camera captures crisp 2K HDR resolution videos, providing clear images both day and night. Plus, this doorbell boasts IP65 waterproofing, so it can handle rainy season with ease. The facial recognition function includes the ability to manage all face profiles recognized and recorded by the doorbell, filter events related to a specific face, set and play personalized greeting words for a particular face, and activate Sentry Mode to announce a customized sound when a stranger is detected. This doorbell supports both cloud and SD card storage, eliminating the need for a mandatory subscription fee. If you use an SD card, you can enjoy both event and continuous 24/7 recording. If you opt for the cloud service without an SD card, you'll have access to events recording but not continuous 24/7 recording. Additionally, they provide free 30-day cloud storage. To unlock the full potential of your Wuuk Doorbell Pro, download and install the Wuuk app. With it, you'll enjoy incredible features such as on-device AI facial recognition. Say goodbye to generic doorbell interactions. Our doorbell identifies familiar faces and offers personalized greetings. On-device AI facial recognition. Manage all recognized face profiles, filter related events, set personalized greetings, and activate. Go local for privacy. No mandatory monthly fees with local SD storage. SD card not included, ensuring your privacy. 24/7 recording with event-based modes. Choose between continuous recording or event-based recording with human and motion detection. Free chime included. Chime acts as a ringer and extender. Add up to 8 chimes from Wuuk to cover large spaces. The volume is ample to be heard throughout your home or office. Enjoy the option to use built-in ringtones or upload your own music clips. Sentry Mode for added security. Elevate your home security game with the Wuuk Wired Smart Doorbell Pro, where innovation meets peace of mind. This was all about the Wuuk Video Doorbell. I hope you liked this video. If so, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comments down below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.